Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I am your host Martin. Today we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin resistance. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and the bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with me whenever the stream is done, join me on the Discord. Links have gone out. So let's get rolling. Let's see what's happening with crypto overall. So we're getting a rally. That's good. We had the bullish divergence. Again, moving up, expansion of the Bollinger Bands to the upside. Nice. Still managed to rally today. Another 3.38%. Nice. And like we said, we're targeting 1.03 trillion. That's good. We're all good for now. Nothing bearish still coming through. Market cap can manage to still go on rallying. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 20,792, hitting resistance on Bitcoin. Right? We're hitting that 20,911. You can see we've tried to get above it, failed. We might try to go for it again. Still managed to get a really nice 3.43% rally today. And again, we're looking for some hidden divergence. And like we said, there's a chance it might not play out. We no longer have it. We managed to rally, and the divergence is no longer there. Now, do we still have divergence against the MACD? And no, we're also going higher on the MACD. So no bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the daily. That is good. That means that Bitcoin could probably continue rallying right towards the end of the year. So far, it's looking good. Shorter time scales, 4 hour. Look, we're going higher still. More positive and higher on the other side. So nothing bearish yet. Still looking okay. Sitting below that resistance at 20,911. We must get above it. That is good. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. If you remember on the 1 hour, we said we're going to flag and then try to go for that next leg up and create bearish divergence potentially on this 1 hour chart. And here we go, right? Look, we were somewhere around here yesterday. And talk about that flag coming through. Look at that, right? Bearish divergence strong. With that, the potential for action to the downside, right? So we could be going for a dip. That's probably why we're seeing that rejection here of that 20,911. Trying to get close to a 20 moving average. We could still get a bounce. If we do bounce and we ignore this bearish divergence, it would just let us know that the bears are losing some kind of control and the bulls are trying to take over, at least for the short term, right? So that's going to be good. That's going to be interesting. Hidden divergence coming through here, right? Again, that's part of the reason that we're holding and part of the reason that we can continue seeing some action to the upside here. All right, so let's see if this manages to hold. Bouncing at the 20 is going to be strong. Getting above that 20,911 is going to be really good. Again, we're going to be looking for 21,394 and even potentially 21,955. But at least we're breaking stagnation, which again is beneficial, right? We needed to get breaks. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Again, I don't believe we're fully out of the woods yet. But, you know, we shall see how things keep on developing for crypto in general. Here, very nice rally, 1,564. Again, managing to rally a nice 7.3%. Again, more than Bitcoin and above resistance. Next target at 1,674. Like we said, we're going to flag a little bit. We did flag a little bit. I think we got that action to the upside to come through. On the larger moves, we are now starting to create some hidden divergence, right? And that hidden divergence is coming from way back here. And it is just happening against the RSI. And again, that's just going to put pressure on the price of Ethereum. And we might see it struggle. We are overbought. That means that we could try to cool off a little bit. I do believe that if Bitcoin manages to rally still, we're probably going to try to rally with it. Bitcoin still has room to grow. And Ethereum could ignore this hidden divergence on the fact that Bitcoin pumps. But since Ethereum has pumped so much more than Bitcoin, it could also be that Bitcoin rallies a little bit and just Ethereum stagnates because it's already taken its smaller run. So let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what's going on there. On the 4 hour, man, look at that. We're going up higher, more positive momentum, higher still. Last thing we had checked was a bullish divergence from Friday, and after that everything just became really peachy. We're running, right? We're doing really good again here, just like Bitcoin, like we said we could, right? Hitting this area, rejecting again, trying to find support here. When we're live, we're somewhere around here, and like I said, if we do manage to get above, we're immediately going to start creating divergence, and that's going to put pressure on that Ethereum price. And that is precisely what we're seeing happening right now. That pressure on the price is starting to build. We're starting to see stagnation, failing to go higher. And we have it against the MACD and the RSI. Strong bearish divergence, potential for a movement down. We are not out of the woods. The only good thing that's coming through here is a hidden bullish that, again, just like Bitcoin, could try to get us to hold and rally even more. Right? You already talked targets, 1,618, 1,674. Let's go check out ADA. ADA at 40 cents. Again, managing to are trying to recover still, but I think its stagnation is just taking a little bit longer. I don't think we're gonna see as strong as a pop as we saw with Ethereum. And part of that reason is because it pumped so much more yesterday, right? Pumped 12%. So we're seeing that stagnation happening in resistance at 40.7 cents. We are at 40.6 cents. Again, we had the bullishness. We're running with that. Neutral at 55.82. Jason Mano, what's up, my friend? For our chart, we're getting some nice flagging coming through. But again, that failure to get above that 40.7 cent mark is we need to get that next leg up, right? We need to get that next leg up for ADA to keep on performing. Otherwise, it's going to be in trouble. But I do believe, just like with Ethereum, that if Bitcoin manages to keep on pushing forward, we're probably going to see Ethereum push forward as well. Neutral, bought at 68.98. Again, nothing bearish here. On the 1 hour chart, we already established that we're moving sideways quite a bit. The only good thing that's coming through here, it is this hidden bullish, and that is part of the reason we're still trying to push through that 40.7, and we're still above that 20 moving average, right? So again, we're just going to tighten here. We're really need to get that break and moving forward still. Otherwise, that rejection and getting below the 20 could lead us to that 37 cent area. Neutral 56.57, meaning the price perceived as fair. And again, the RSI is based on the last 14 periods. So if we just go back 14 periods, we're going to see that we're very, very close to the same level, right? I cannot look at that. I can just look at the monthly, Jason. Most I can do is the monthly, my friend. But we're going to check out the monthly. Worry not about that. Again, we're going to stagnate. Had this hidden divergence from way back here. We haven't looked at this in a while. It's still holding, right? We're still creating that hidden divergence, hidden bullish. And just waiting for it to play out, stagnate, and then try to move somewhere, right? We're not getting the cleanest read. Neutral at 42.98. Nothing else developing here, man. Again, the daily for Bitcoin trying to break that 20,900. Hopefully we can do it. Hopefully we can do it. And we get as far away from the 20 as we can with strength. That's going to be bullish, I think. Ultimately, we want to get above 23,220, right? And keep on climbing and then see where we're at after that. But, for now, I think we're good. The bullish divergence that we had to spotted on the 4 hour on last Friday, and on the 1 hour as well, is what's getting us to play up. Now, just remember that we're starting to develop some bearish divergence. We do have the hidden bullish. Try to get a rally, but this strong bearish still could put pressure on the price and make us break back down, particularly if we just find out that we're not strong enough to get above that $20,911 mark, right? So that's with those coins. How's the HNT doing at $4? Right, so it's not doing a lot. RSR is also not doing a lot. Adam seems to be doing somewhat okay. Not recovering with a lot of strength, right? But the 3%, another 2% right now, trying to go for another 2.19%. Not bad for Adam. I haven't looked at this one in a while, but we had created some bullish divergence to this here zone, right? And you can tell here that we're creating that bullish divergence. So we had the possibility for action to the upside, right? Action to the upside, which would be extremely beneficial. And that is precisely what we're getting. Now, the question is, we have from here. It's about the same as. So we just go to there. Neutral 52.27, meaning the price perceived to be as fair as it can be for this. Let's check out Adam on here on the 4 hour. Again, going up slightly higher here. And then coming in slightly lower here at this point. Again, bearish divergence, strong potential for action to the downside. It is starting to develop. I'm not going to put a lot of weight onto it, particularly the markets continue to break bullish. 1 hour chart, man. 1 hour chart creating some of this bearish divergence as well. Right, and as you can tell here, strong bearish potential fraction downside. Now we have it on the 4 hour, we have it on the 1 hour. That could lead us to where we break back down again. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to keep tonight's stream short. I just wanted to jump in, talk Bitcoin real quick. Like I said yesterday, I have a lot of things going on right now at the same time. Really not a lot of requests coming through. I'm trying to be here at least this last couple days, the next couple days, as much as I can be, until I figure out how we're going to transition as soon as I start my new project and how I want to keep on being here. So if you have any questions or anything you want to learn, please let me know. That's just going to keep the streams going longer. Otherwise, I'm going to have to be measuring my time. Right now, I'm struggling with setting up a website. For some reason, I cannot get the domain to connect to the host or to the hosting platform. So I'm struggling with that, and I got to go back to resolve that because I need to get those websites done today. And it's 5 websites I need to get going. I'll talk about the projects more as I get them done. But thank you very much for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information that gets provided here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.
Choosing the right web hosting is like choosing the right place for your website to live. You can share server space and spread costs with shared hosting, or get the next level space and services of VPS hosting. Or choose EasyWP, our fully managed WordPress package where everything is done for you. You can even have your very own dedicated server. And choosing Namecheap means choosing all this too, plus amazing prices.